You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places in the US that too many people mispronounce. This is the name of a river and also a lake, and they're both attached, really. It's the same mass of water, let's say. Now it comes from French, and in French it's said as Pend Oreille, Pend Oreille, and that explains why in English it's said as Pend Oreille, Pend Oreille, Pend Oreille River or Pend Oreille Lake. Pend Oreille is how you'd say it in French. Oreille is French for ear. Pend is French for hanging, so it hangs from the ear, is what it means. Pend Oreille, or in English, in the US it's said as Pend Oreille, Pend Oreille. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.